I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
In this video, we show you how to turn on tax reporting in fixed assets. Before you turn on tax reporting, make sure you've selected a fixed assets start date. In the Fixed Assets Register, click the Overflow menu, then click Settings. Then select the Tax Reporting tab. Use the Start Date drop-down menu to select the appropriate tax reporting start date. If you've already disposed of an asset in the year and want to add tax reporting, you need to remove the disposal, turn on tax reporting, and then re-enter the disposal. Click Start Tax Reporting to confirm your start date.